Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download Fruit Ninja application on your iPhone. The process is quite straightforward, so let's get started. First of all, open your App Store. Also, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now go to the search box at the top and type in Fruit Ninja. In the search results, look for this application. From Half Brick Studios, tap on the Get button to start downloading the application. Fruit Ninja is a popular video game which was originally released for iOS devices and later was made available for Android, Windows phones and other platforms. Wait until the game starts, wait until the download is completed, and once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the Open button. And that's how you can easily download and install Fruit Ninja on iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.